Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and safely remove the rear spoiler on a Hyundai Lafesta. This is actually a simple job that almost anyone can do, even if it's your first time working on this car. So make sure to watch the video until the end, because I'll show you every step of the process. First, open the trunk and remove the inner trunk lid trim panel. The panel is held in place by several plastic clips, so it's best to use a trim clip removal tool. This will allow you to remove the clips quickly, without damaging either the clips or the trim panel itself. Once the trim panel is removed, you'll have access to the spoiler mounting nuts. Now take a ratchet with a 10mm socket and remove all the nuts shown in the video. It's a good idea to keep the nuts in a safe place, so you don't lose them during the installation later. After all the nuts have been removed, it's time to take off the rear spoiler. However, keep in mind that the spoiler is not only secured by the mounting nuts, it is also attached to the trunk lid with strong, double-sided adhesive tape. To make the removal easier and prevent any damage, I recommend warming the adhesive with a heat gun or even a regular hairdryer. Heating the tape softens the adhesive, making the spoiler much easier to remove. Then, gently pull the spoiler toward you while applying steady, even pressure. Avoid using excessive force or making sudden movements, as this could damage the spoiler or the paint.